I'll admit it, that sometimes I just couldn't get it, but I had to be strong and just keep moving on. I lost my way so many times before, but I knew God would open doors if I kept holding on.
Take that loose one. The winch should take that loose one on back the truck.
Yeah? What?
If the loose one comes with that one, it's off. You won't fit in there?
Nah.
Nigga, you don't know what the hell you doing. You're supposed to fit in
Them
there.
two different ones, fool.
No, it ain't. Got 4 holes, 4 holes.
But look at the spacing in the holes.
I guess you're right.
Nah.
They don't put that motherfucker on there so goddamn tight.
What? Yeah, over there at the beginning.
How much you gonna finish today?
All of it.
Say we're gonna be back 4, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
I ain't got nowhere to go. I'm just asking. You told me, look, you gonna be back 4, 6 o'clock. I'm trying to see if your time is accurate, bro.
Hey, shit, I gotta do something. What time is it? 12?
1 o'clock.
It ain't no 1 o'clock, man.
Nigga, it ain't fucking 1 o'clock, bro.
I know it ain't no 1 o'clock. I leave here by 5, I get back over there by 5:45. Damn. You ain't got no pliers or nothing? Never mind. I got it. Where that ground at?
Huh?
Where the grinder part?
The grinder wheel should have been in there.
He got that shit on backwards. What? What you say it's at? Where the other one at?
Other what?
Look. So I did find out that this is 16 gauge. So now we can look at this. 16 gauge, 17, 18, 220 on the wire speed. That's all. No. Y'all need to do to my card. Hand me a Philippine. Did you just pull it out yesterday? No. It's gotta be here. I ain't come on now. I ain't got it plugged up. You nigga pulled it out the thing yesterday. You ain't got no screwdriver?
Hell no. I don't work with screwdrivers. Charlie, look up on that door so you see a Phillips screwdriver.
What's that?
Phillips screwdriver? Yeah.
A who?
No, I told him look up and see if you see a Phillips. Goddamn, man, drop a goddamn cigarette. I had one of the fuck they did my shit. I got one on the rack in here. Hold on.
That's a flathead?
Yeah, but it's broke. You got a flathead in your truck.
Let's go see if I got a flathead on Philip. Never mind.
Yeah, man. Where'd you get my shit from? Huh?
What?
Where'd you get my shit from? I've been
Is that where I buy it from?
No, I said where'd you get my shit from? I've been looking for it.
Shit, that ain't, you ain't been looking for that.
I have been looking for this.
I bought that when I had to fix my woman's car.
What? What that do to you?
When that power steering fluid came out, the hose came off right there by the house. And I wasn't finna go. Nah, in that Volkswagen.
Oh. This motherfucker here, though.
You see, go straight through. He be calling, Charlie. You think your nephew hired me back? Hell no.
Nigga probably must well be Tony anyway, because they more on the same speed. Let's see what I can do. Go ahead, bro. Looks like it's going. Now you didn't go half. You went 3/4. 3/4 of the way though. This nigga said that I got $5 on a half a pack of cigarettes. Nigga, Newport's is $13. Yeah, you come out cheaper that way though. Yeah, it's cheaper that way, really.
What did you take me to when I was buying them cool? This shit cost me
But the
$7.
reason why I don't get two, because I smoke more. I know it, so I say.
2 packs a day?
That's 2 packs at like $11 a pack.
He took me somewhere. It was a smoke shop. I went to the Southwest house. Them motherfuckers on the 7.
No, when cigarettes jumped up, I stopped at the store in Grand Prairie. Them bitches was still $8. I wonder if they still $8 in Grand Prairie.
If I went to Cool's $8 at the most stores.
Yeah, you'll find Newports for like $9, $8.
No, you took me to that smoke shop when we went on the Southwest side and bought them for $8. $7 or $8 on it.
Hey, I tell you one thing.
Nigga, keep them bitches down to $15 a pack. Them bitches down to $15 a pack.
Emergency stuff. That's crazy. That's almost $1 a cigarette for real. That's crazy.
They was about them singles, them over charge $1.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge $1 for singles, man.
Yeah, you see them over $1.
3 for $1.
Yeah, they was.
Y'all don't read between the lines trying to get y'all to start smoking, man. How do you get niggas to start smoking without telling them to stop smoking?
When cigarettes was $6, they realized niggas is not gonna stop smoking. That's up in price.
I wasn't smoking, but I remember Newport was like $3.85 a pack.
See, I don't have them problems. Man, I watch these niggas all my life, boy. Niggas smoke cigarette after cigarette.
Now your uncle?
Shit.
That nigga smoked goddamn 4 packs in 2 days.
Yeah, 2 packs a day.
It's not goddamn 3 packs a day.
He told me he got that disease.
COPD?
Yeah, he told me that.
Him and Annie both got it.
He was making this noise that was tripping me out. He said it's belching, but no, you ain't burping. You doing some scratching your throat or something.
You ain't got no teeth.
No, I'm serious, bro. He make the noise that he do, man.
That's alright. You gonna be in there thinking he's sleeping. Shit, he gonna be he done been
Somebody told me he got that breathing.
That's why I say, man, I hate to be the one to find that nigga in there on throat though.
He'll be in there going to the upper room and everybody still in this motherfucker thinking he back there sleeping. Don't call me. Call me when the coroners get there. Man, I was at fucking a memory care. I walked in that room, man, talking about, is he breathing? See, I put my mask in. I said, no, he ain't breathing. Man, that shit.
About working at them kind of thing, boy. You walk and find people dead all the time.
Man, I walk right about that building to the other way. Man, that man over there dead. One of y'all swap me houses. Man, I do not do dead people. Nah, hell no. And then he was already sleeping on hospice.
That's the thing. When they're on hospice, I ain't gonna fool with them. But you gonna walk in there and you gonna catch them in there. Dead in the door there.
She like 87 years old. She been on hospice last 15 years.
Yeah,
Smoking.
You never know when it's your time. When it's your time, you don't go.
That's why I tell people all the time. That's why I tell people, they were like, oh, my daddy about to quit smoking. Y'all don't realize he quit smoking, it's gonna kill him faster.
Yeah.
Because he's so used to it.
Yeah, his body's used to it.
It's like at this point, just let him have his habits.
I done seen when people be on that, got that damn sclerosis of the liver, they tell them stop drinking. As soon as they stop drinking, they die.
That nigga sound like my woman.
Nigga,
Man, Margaret didn't finish elementary, man. Leave him alone. He graduated with the what's them people in that class?
My dad said he went all the way to the 12th grade.
No, your daddy didn't make it past elementary here.
I thought it the other day. You go past 2nd grade, dude. Driving trucks at the 4th grade.
That nigga don't know how to read. He barely know how to write.
At least they driving 18-wheelers in a toddler.
Yeah, he was
nigga got ready to sit in my truck. That's why the nigga had to pick his other leg up to put it in the truck. I got that ringing all the motherfucker. Hey, he was.
That nigga walking like my Papa Charles.
I told him.
It's one leg right here.
You done had a stroke.
I told him the same goddamn.
You done had a stroke and didn't even know it.
So,
You ain't even know it.
I've been having this problem for a long time.
That means you done been having a stroke for a long time.
I told him. He think I'm playing. If you watch him, he'll drag that leg just like Papa Charles.
Turn it on. Hold the button.
He'll never run. He's using it.
Man, you behind, bro. You need to pick up the pace.
You
welding outfit on.
You tacked him?
With the welding outfit on.
Hey, hand me that sleeve out my back seat. Damn, boy. That motherfucker hot. Huh? I got that sleeve though. Nah, fool. Shit, nigga, that motherfucker burnt to my clothes. Watch me get to work now. Shit, nigga. I'm a professional. Man, y'all go ahead and go subscribe to your boy. Let's keep this train moving. Don't be like the other 1% and get left behind. I'm about to now. Yeah. And that's because this the one, like this the one I sit up under there, the hose, so it's gonna hit my arm. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing the tops. I ain't doing the tops because I did the bottoms. But one thing for sure, goddamn me, I can climb on this motherfucker. I gotta do the back. Alright, we in there now. If you didn't make it so hard for me, I wouldn't have to work so hard. Charles, hand me that little wire brush. My glasses over there.
I don't know if they dead or not.
Shouldn't be. There they go. So we have finished up for today. As y'all can see, I finished up most of it. Just one second. Hello? Yes, they already left.
Did he say he just drug it up?
I think with the transmission out, it just rolled up. They put skates under it.
Oh, they did?
They put skates under the tire, so it just went on the truck.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're gonna take it to my shop. I'm about to leave my impound lot and go back to Dallas, where they're at.
All right, well, we're headed to the shop because his wallet and all his stuff is in the truck.
Okay.
Is there somebody there?
No, they'll be there in the back. I'm on my way there, so I'll be there in about 20 minutes.
All right, well, we're headed that way now.
All right.
Yeah, we're in traffic. Hey, can you send me the actual address just to be sure?
Yes.
I think I know where it is, but if you can just send it to me, I'd appreciate it.
So that was the president and the CEO of Greenlight Distribution, my distribution partners for my trucking side. But we've pretty much put it up. We tacked it so we can hurry up and get it all the way up. I will come back either sometime later this week or next week next week for sure with the panels, and we will finish welding it the right way. We ran out of gas, so we are going to get some more gas, but we'll come back. We'll take these, cut them halfway, and then we'll put them on an angle. That way we don't have to put them across, because we did make those kind of big. But it is what it is. We got it up, and yeah, this is what y'all get, man. I ain't a professional, but I got it done. I did this for y'all, so if y'all can do something for me, and it's so easy, just follow me, subscribe to my YouTube at DNR Automotive Services, and just follow this journey. Again, this will be either the swing gate or the 130-foot gate to open and close. But as y'all see, we got all the poles up and we're ready to go with the fence panels. So I will be going to Home Depot this week and getting a quote on, what I say, 48 fence panels. We'll say 50 just to be on the safe side. Get these fence panels up, and then we will start working on the electrical side of the building, getting the electrical wires ran inside, getting the pole put up outside, calling the electric company and see how much they'll charge to run the line. But if they can't run the line, then I'm gonna go with my plan B and just run solar all the way around, because I believe I could put my electric gate on a solar. Hey, I believe they have solar powered electric gates that don't require me to have direct line running to it. I do believe they have solar power electric gates, so that might be an option. But yes, everything is up, as y'all can see, and we are about to leave, but we will be back for the rest of it. Till next time, I'm out.